In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a powerful AI chatbot using Lovable AI. Whether you're a business owner looking to engage customers more interactively or a developer eager to explore the capabilities of conversational AI, this tutorial will guide you every step of the way. Let's dive into creating your very own AI project, bringing your chatbot ideas to life from conception to deployment. We begin our journey by opening up Lovable AI. Once you've got the platform up, you'll want to start by creating a new project. This is where the magic begins, as everything you develop will be organized within this project for easy access and management. Think of it as the digital workspace where your AI will come to life. Next, you will be selecting an AI agent or chatbot template. Lovable AI offers a variety of pre-designed templates that cater to different functions and industries. This selection essentially serves as the blueprint for your chatbot, providing the foundational structure and capabilities that you can build upon. Take your time to review the templates carefully, considering which one aligns best with your envisioned purpose for the AI. Once you've chosen a template, it's important to define the agent's purpose and target audience. This step is crucial because it determines how your AI will interact with users and what tone or vocabulary it should employ. Clearly defining these elements ensures that your AI can effectively fulfill the role it's intended for, whether it's to assist, entertain, inform, or convert users. After you've established the purpose and target audience, it's time to input sample conversations or training data. The data serves as the learning material for your AI, teaching it how to respond in various situations. The more diverse and comprehensive your sample data is, the better your AI will perform. It's a bit like teaching a toddler how to speak and react, so don't shy away from including a wide range of examples to cover different scenarios. Now comes the fun part: customizing the AI's responses and personality traits. This is where you add a personal touch, molding the AI's character to make it engaging and relatable. Whether you want your chatbot to be formal, casual, humorous, or empathetic, make sure its personality matches the expectations of your intended users. Customizing these traits can make your AI not only effective, but also memorable. With your configurations in place, it's essential to test your AI agent using the preview feature. This step allows you to interact with your creation as if you were a real user, giving you first-hand experience of its responses and behavior. Testing helps you identify any potential issues or improvements that can be fine-tuned before the final launch. Finally, the grand